With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question says balance the net equation for the reaction of potassium dichromate 6 K2Cr2O7. Okay, in this the oxidation state of the chromium is 6 with the sodium sulphite, which is Na2SO3, in an acidic solution, okay, to give chromium 3 ion and the sulphate ion. We have to follow step by step. So let us start. First of all, we have to write in step 1 we have to write the skeleton equation. Okay, the ionic equation we have to write. Step 1 we will write the skeletal ionic equation. Skeletal ionic equation. Okay, and that is Cr2O7 2 minus K2Cr2O7 is there, so we will remove the 2 potassium, so plus minus 2 will come. This is aqueous with SO3 2 minus, okay, again aqueous. This will form Cr3 plus chromium 3 plus, again aqueous, and sulphate ion SO4 2 minus, again aqueous. This is the equation. This is the step 1. Second step, in step 2, what we have to do? In step 2, assign the oxidation number. What we have to do? We have to assign oxidation number. We have to assign the oxidation number for chromium and sulfur. Okay, just assign it. So in Cr2O7 2 minus, we will write the equation once more. SO3 2 minus, it gives Cr3 plus and SO4 2 minus. The oxidation state is very simple to calculate. Cr, in this chromium has plus 6 oxidation state. One chromium has plus 6 oxidation state. In this sulfur has plus 4 oxidation state. In this chromium 3 plus, it is 3 plus 3 oxidation state, and in this SO4 2 minus, this sulfur has plus 6 oxidation state. It is very simple to calculate, as we know the oxidation number. Okay, okay. So after this we have to note what is taking place in chromium and sulfur. Chromium oxidation state from plus 6 is going to plus 3. Okay, so reduction is taking place. In this chromium, reduction is taking place, and in this SO3 2 minus, sulfur is plus 4, and in the product side it is plus 6. So oxidation is taking place. So this is Cr2O7 minus, its Cr2O7 2 minus, its oxidation number is reduced, so it is reduction, so it is oxidizing agent, and this is the reducing agent, Very good. Now in step 3 what we have to do? In step 3 we have to check what is the increase in oxidation number. Calculate. In step 3 we have to calculate the increase and decrease of oxidation number and make them equal. We have to make them equal. Okay, In step 2, we can note that the chromium, for chromium the oxidation number is changing from plus 6 to for chromium the oxidation number is changing from plus 6 to plus 3, and for this is reduced, this is decreased by 3, and for sulfur it is changing from plus 4 to plus 6, plus 4 to plus 6. This is increased by 2, we have to balance this, we have to make them equal. Okay, to make the increase and decrease equal, to make the increase and decrease in oxidation number, to make the increase and decrease of oxidation number, yeah, or in oxidation is number to be equal, we have to place number 2 before chromium Cr ion, okay, on right side, and number 3 before the sulphate, before SO4 ion, sulphate ion, on right side, okay. So just do this, we have to do this, and the reaction will change and the equation will change like this. Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3SO3 2 minus, it will give 2Cr3 plus 3SO4 plus 3SO4 2 minus. Okay, all the states are aqueous. Just check it once. This Cr is plus 6, this is 2 minus, oxygen is 2 minus, this sulfur is plus 4, this oxygen is again minus 2, this chromium is plus 3, and this sulfur is plus 6, and again this oxygen is minus 2. Okay, so we can check the for chromium it is 6, for here also 2 chromium are there, for 1 chromium it is plus 3, so for 2 chromium it is plus 3, it is equal. Oxygen total 7 into 2 minus 14, here oxygen 3 oxygens are there, for 1 it is minus 2, so for 3 it is minus 6, so 14 minus, and here are 3 is there, so 3 into 3 9, 2 is 18 and 14, 18, we have to just check total charge on oxygen, it is here it is minus 18 and here it is minus 14, here total is minus 32, here it is 4 into 3 12, oxygen is 4 into 3 12 into 2 minus 24. Okay, something is mistake we have done, here 3 sulfur 3 oxygen 3. Okay, it is okay. Cr2O72 minus, okay, 3SO3, okay, so it is okay. It is okay. We have to balance the oxygen afterwards. We have to balance the oxygen. First of all, we have balanced the metals or the atoms. Okay, chromium 2, sulfur 3, oxygen 4, 3 are 12, 4 into 3 12, and here it is 3 into 6, 3 into 3 9, and 4 12 9 and 7. We have to balance the oxygen afterwards. First of all, after this chromium balance, chromium and sulfur are balanced, the main elements are balanced, chromium and sulfur. Now we have to balance the oxygen. Since the medium is acidic, next step will be step 4. In step 4, we have to balance the hydrogen. Step 4, we have to balance the hydrogen. Since the reaction is taking place, reaction occurs in acidic medium, so further charges are balanced by hydrogen, by H plus. Okay, so the equation will change to Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3SO3 2 minus, it gives 2Cr3 plus 3SO4 2 minus. We have to add 8 hydrogen here, 8 H plus. Okay, so that the electrons would be balanced. Okay, now the step 5, we have to ultimately balance the oxygen. Step 5. Finally oxygen will be balanced. Oxygen and hydrogen will be balanced by adding water, that is H2O. So we have to add that water. So the final reaction will be like this: Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3SO3 2 minus plus 8H plus, it gives 2Cr3 plus 3SO4 2 minus plus we have to add 4 water molecules, 4H2. Just check it once. Chromium 2 atoms should be balanced, electrons should be balanced, everything should be balanced. Okay, so let us check chromium 2, sulfur 3, oxygen 7, and here oxygen 3 into 3 9 and 7 16 high oxygen, here 4 into 3 12, 4 16, here 16 oxygens are balanced. Very good. Now hydrogen, 8 hydrogen is there, hydrogen 8 is there, balanced. Very good. Now last the charges, total positive charge -2, here -2. Okay, minus charges and plus charges should be balanced. Okay, so the minus charge, here it is on 1 oxygen, it is -2, 3 oxygen -6, 3 into 3 9 to the 18, -18, and here it is 7 to the 14, -14. Okay, and minus charge this side 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12 minus 24. Okay, and plus charges total here on the left hand side, plus is 8. So what will happen? This will come to minus 32 plus 8, that is minus 24, and here also it is minus 24. You can see minus 24. Okay, so we have balanced everything. It is the net balanced equation. So the answer is this. Answer is this. I hope you have understood the each and every step. Okay, so we have done the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.